Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi, and if you're here for the first time, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell to stay notified every time I upload a video and you never miss a video like this again. In today's video, we'll talk about these gorgeous lipsticks. I know these are not the L'Oreal Color Riche lipsticks, but these are the Seven Heavens Color Intense lipsticks. Let's get started. I have two of these. One is in the shade Deep Red, which is a gorgeous red color. I know it is kind of mattish from the top, but it is a gorgeous red color. Judge from here. Okay, it's a gorgeous red color. The one which is on my lips is this one. This is the Deep Red, and the other one is this color, which is a beautiful pink color. It is their dark magenta. Yeah, it's their dark magenta, and it's gorgeous pink shade. I like both the colors, two bits. They come in a cardboard packaging of this sort, which is silver, and all the details about the ingredients and everything is mentioned on the cover itself. And it has an opening right here from where you can see the color. Like it's this particular thing you can see from here, so you can make out what color it is. And the only thing is that the price is not mentioned on the box, so it is up to the seller as to what price he wants to keep while he's selling this product. I got this one from a local store, so I got it for 100 rupees. I'll see if I can find this online anywhere, and I'll just link it in the description box with the exact price online. But on the local store I got it for like just 100 rupees, which is very affordable for a lipstick, like a normal lipstick, which looks very similar to the Color Riche range of the L'Oreal lipsticks. The design is absolutely the same. The lid is quite sturdy, but I am not quite happy with the design because you have to close it in this particular manner itself. You cannot just close it anyways, and which creates a nuisance when you're in a hurry and you just leave it just like that. The design is cool, but it is not very user friendly, I must say. And when you open it up, you get the bullet, obviously. These lipsticks are really matte. I will not say that they're creamy matte or velvety matte. They are absolutely matte. I think around 4 months I have been using these lipsticks, and I'm absolutely in love with these. You think you get around 3 grams of product. Yeah, you get 3.8 grams of product in this particular lipstick. When you apply it, you have to drag it onto your lips a little bit. It doesn't glides like really smoothly. You have to drag it onto your lips, but it does deposit the exact color in just one swipe. It is transferable. It does transfer, but it doesn't transfer a lot because it is matte, and it stays onto your lips for good 6 to 8 hours or maybe even long, and it stains your lips really beautifully. Like the color that is onto your lips remains onto your lips for 6 to 8 hours because it stains the same color to your lips. You have to use a makeup remover to get this lipstick off because it just obviously stains your lips. It is hydrating, but at the end of like say 4 hours, it would make your lips feel a bit dried, obviously because they are matte, but they are very comfortable to wear. You won't even feel there is something on your lips. It is very comfortable and hydrating at the same time. These are non-sticky as well. That means that you can see, and they're absolutely matte. So if you're a matte lover and you don't like something which would dry out your lips, this is a thing for you because it is matte. It transfers very less. It moisturizes your lips. It would make your lips a bit dry after 3 to 4 hours, but that's just fine because a lot of creamy lipsticks also do that. And it is very affordable, just for 100 rupees. Glides onto your lips with a little bit of difficulty. You have to drag it onto your lips a little bit because they are a bit dried because they are matte, but the color payoff is really amazing. They are very pigmented. I really like the color they have. They have a really wide variety of colors available. And yeah, that is all about the Seven Heaven Color Intense lipsticks. I really like these. I would rate them around 4 out of 5, which is a really nice rating because of the price range, the texture, the longevity, and everything is really nice. I'll also insert the hand swatches and the lip swatches right here so that you can just make out how the colors are and how they glide onto your lips and how easy or difficult it is to remove. was all about the Seven Heaven Color Intense lipsticks. I hope this review was helpful to you guys, and if it was, then do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.